Hi YouTube friends, in this video I show you how I repair underarm holes in a knitted cashmere jumper. These are tools and material I needed. I use a sock of my baby boy. Sock is soft and stretchable, so I think it's good to use it for mending a jumper. I cut a piece of this sock. I turn the jumper inside out and put this piece of material and cover the hole, pin this material to the jumper. Now I turn the jumper inside out and sew just around the pin needles. Then take the pin needles off and sew another circle. Now I sew from the edge of the hole and fix the jumper and the sock material together. Now a big hole under the armpit is mended. This is another underarm hole, a smaller one. Now I'm able to wear this cashmere jumper again. It's a wonderful layering piece between shirt and coat. And I can wear this jumper as a scarf and go to a nice coffee and enjoy a cup of coffee. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.